Shalom, shalom, it's your brother Wasilkamilbey. This is Shamstoppers. Let me go on and get into this reading. I'd like to thank all the subscribers, people checking up on us. May Almighty God, Creator, bless you and yours. Let's go and get on this shit. Judges of Oneida, y'all, since people say I can't read, right? Common pleas versus people ex-rel, savage. See that shit? The discretion of a judge is the law of tyrants. Let's start it over. The discretion of a judge is the law of tyrants. It is always unknown. It is different in different men. Ooh. It is casual and depends upon constitution. Fellas, your constitution in your brain, okay? What you stand for, your temper and your passion. And the best, it is oftentimes caprice. Not Chevy caprice, people. Now no 22s or anything. No, not that, my brothers. And this is out of New York. New York, big city of dreams, man. What's up? In the worst, it is every vice, folly, and passion to which human nature is liable. So if she is liable going down there signing your name up for that shit, she liable. If it's her nature to do dirty shit, it is in her nature. That's the title of this video. It is in her nature to do you wrong. It is in her nature to do you wrong. Lord Camden, quoted by Fern. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Look at that, man. 1864. This is still law today. Oh, you pulling up that old stuff. Man, it's still law today. Shit. Upon a question. Wait a minute. Wait a goddamn minute. Oh, man. I thought we were rolling live. Wait a minute, people. I didn't even time it. But that's okay. We're going to get this shit right. Alright? We're going to get this shit right. But, upon a question of the exercise of discretion in the choice of a person to be appointed receiver, Knight Bruce, LJ in English Court of Appeal and Chancery said to induce the court to act in such a case against the what? Decision of the learned judge by whom selection has been made, it would be necessary to find some, if I may use the expression, overwhelming objection in point of propriety of choice, of some objection fatal in point of principle. Ooh, fellas, what is your principle, man? Huh? Look at this. Look at this book, man. Italian Code. Man, look. I told you. This is the greatest channel on YouTube. Ain't nobody doing what we doing because they can't do it. They don't know. That's why we got more testimonies. And all of them are not phonies. Those are real testimonies, because if they was, why they didn't come out and make a video and say, yeah, it was fake, it was false. Thank you. In the Confessions of the French Civil Code, we are told that the absence of express rules of law, the judges should be what? Governed by the rules of equity, which exist in maxims of natural law, universal justice, and reason. Observations of Le Tribune fell upon Article 4. It should be remembered that these codes, though of judges, as simply deciding the particular case, not as laying down any rule for the future. Ooh, how y'all are? Hey man, who's the greatest channel on YouTube? Huh? Who is the greatest channel on YouTube? I'm gonna tell y'all something, people. Ain't nobody fucking with us. Alright? Nobody. They say we arrogant. They say we're not professional. That's true. We're experts and we're assholes. That's it. And if you don't want to have this energy and not being played with, then hey, go get fucked in the ass. Go get you a dismissal. Go get all that sweet ass shit, that dick in the booty ass shit. Go get it. We don't care. We don't want that. We want to discharge, disposed of. Right? This is the year of the fucking man. You see what I just read? Oh man, this book will blow your fucking mind. Okay? You think somebody gonna call my phone? Huh? Hey y'all, call this phone. Let's get in the debate. Call this phone right here. Call this phone. Let's go get the debate going. It ain't too late. I want one brave motherfucking soul. One. Hey, better than yet, let's do a motherfucking Google podcast or what have you. You know what I'm saying? See how retarded I am and slow and country and Bama? Please do it. We need just a couple of souls. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm just tired of all the little negative shit. I want to put all this shit to rest. Because this is the greatest channel on YouTube. This is the year of the fucking man. You either down with us or you gonna get rolled over. You know they used to say if you can't beat them, join them. You ain't gonna beat us. So your only option is to join us. Because this is a business. We provide a service, which is a goddamn company. Okay? We bring a lot of shit to the table because we're able. We don't do with the word can't, we do with will. And we are. Because she went to borrow that shit. She went to borrow that shit. You know what I'm saying? Just giving you a sheet of paper to file. Boom, that's it. Now that ain't gonna work, players. That ain't gonna work. We can show you the proper and correct way. Dumbass people are the author of confusion. How somebody gonna tell you what to do in court and they lost? Do that make any sense? Stop running with them chicken McNuggets and come get you some filet mignon, okay? Come get you some caviar. Yeah. Don't fuck with McDonald's and Murder King, you know what I'm saying? We don't put our paperwork up on the internet. People put our old ass paperwork on the internet, and that's funny. This shit is not that hard, people. We can show you a quick, easy way how to whoop some motherfucking ass. Because they train these women. They want these women to win. Fellas, you have a power, man. I don't know what's wrong. They put a warrant out on me. My license is suspended. Look, people, we're not telling you go live up under the rock and give up your social. Stop driving with the driver's license. Talking about the straw man. We ain't on that dumbass shit, man. We want you to live, have a substantial life, to sustain some income. Fuck with us. We not with that sovereign citizen movement bullshit. You ain't gonna get nowhere. I'm gonna let y'all listen to this bullshit. I'm gonna break it down.
Providing for your children can indeed be tough, especially if you are a single parent.
Victoria Bailey learns how the law makes sure single parents and children have the resources they need. She joins us now in the studio with more. Victoria.
In Mississippi, failure to pay child support comes with serious consequences. There's jail time and stress on the children. Supporting a child is difficult but required by the state.
He recognizes that both parents are responsible for providing and caring.
Required by the state. Does it say it's against the law for you not to support your children? You gotta fucking listen, man. Who is requiring you to do that? They don't say it's against the law. They don't say not paying child support is illegal. They say failure. Listen to the words. The pen is mightier than the who? Sword. Welfare is well off spelled backwards. I'm gonna come back with another cold video. I'm gonna give y'all these two videos, Hawaii and this one here. It is in her nature to screw you over. It is in her nature to screw you over.
For children. So in a single parent home, one person can't do all of that.
In order for child support...
Bitch, you lying. I know some fathers that's doing it right now. Shouts out to the fathers that's doing it, especially the one with his teenage son, handling his business, you know, riding dirt bikes. You know what I'm saying? That's the shit I like to hear. Let me tell y'all a little story before I get off. You know, I used to get my ass whooped in elementary school. I'll never forget this old lady. I will never forget this old lady. Her name was Miss Gerard. And she had a fucking ruler. You hear me? This woman had a ruler. It had metal at the bottom of one end and she taped it up at another end. And man, and I rarely got in trouble because I used to get my ass whooped at home. I got in trouble like 4 times. I got in trouble 4 times running with the wrong crap. And I used to see them, she used to tear up these, she had a few corporates. They used to get in trouble constantly. And man, she used to tear their ass up. They used to be dancing like it was Disco 9000. I'm talking about they were hitting the floor, man. You know when they had that stick, that dancing stick, you got a high low. Can you go? Man, you could have swear they was going up on that goddamn stick, man. I was laughing so hard, man, I didn't know what to do. I had to hide my laughing, you know what I'm saying? I had to get up under the desk and start laughing. But man, when she used to hit me, I used to take it like a G. But goddamn it, that last time, woo-wee, I guess she was on her old period or something. You know what I'm saying? Man, she pulled my hand back to the palms, you know where your the calluses be at? Man, she wore my ass out. Man, she hit me like 20 times. I thought I took it as a G. When I got to my desk, that shit got to hurting. Shit, about 3 or 4 tears came out my eye. Them niggas was laughing at me. Yeah. Shit. Man. I used to get my ass whooped in school, man. Hey, another thing. I was on my knees one time in the principal's office. Man, he made me sit on my knees, kneel down on my knees with 2 books in my hand, stretched out. Hold them books. If I ain't hit them books, he hit me on my ass. Man, I never forget them days. I wish they still had them. Because it made me a better man. It made me a fucking man. You know that? Yeah. Made me a fucking man. I don't have to worry about shit else. I'm not gonna let no bitch pimp me either. I refuse to fucking lose. People, if you need help getting off this child support shit, hit us up. The number is right there on the YouTube page. 512-663-3815. Hey, share, subscribe, like this shit, cause it ain't nothing but the truth. People who dislike it, we don't care about them. They can stick a thumb in their ass. It ain't about them. You know, they need to find another way. Hit us up. Peace.